I'm Emma. This is me and my partner's home and our dogs, of course. We have lived here now 1.5 years. Come, I will show you around. It's Ford Transit 2007. Here is our surf rack for surfboard. It's not currently here because my partner is surfing at the moment. Here are our back door storage section. Water tank is right there. Then we have still some extra storage. Oh, very messy, don't mind that. Some extra storage there. And our ski equipment there, lots of other room for our hobbies equipment. We have a very simple camping shower solution. So we fill the bucket with water, we put this in, then we press the button and then we can shower. Simple but working. Here's our cockpit section. We decided to leave this part open here just to, maximize the space. One other reason is like our dogs, they just love chilling here in the front. So many times when we are parked our van, our dogs are chilling here and keeping watch from the front windows. And here under the passenger seat, we have our diesel heater that keeps us nice and warm in the cold winter months. Above the cockpit section, we have some clothing storage over here and some souvenir wall. This is just a simple cheap, was supposed to be a shoe rack, but we ended up just putting it there and just maximizing the storage space, just using all kinds of small things, everything except shoes. And then we have some shoe storage space down there. And then we just keep our window blinds here. We threw them out and just put to cover windows every night to bring some privacy and some insulation.
And those seats had extra storage as well, no?
Yeah, so and then underneath this seat we have some extra storage as well. So there's a dog food and some other things. On top of the roof we have 300 watts solar panels, and here inside this bench we have 320 amps of batteries. And on the roof we have also our spare tire. And this is our dining and working section. We have this moving table that comes handy. And then we have some cleaning storage here, some cutlery storage. And then we have a knife rack over there.
And they never fly, right?
They never fly. They always stay there. Some dry food storage here, plus some clothing and some actual medical kits. We have tried to maximize the storage space and just put the shelves and storages everywhere we basically can. This Ford Transit is 5.5 meters long, and I think it was around 2.9 meters high. This is our kitchen stove unit here, 3 burners. Doing us fine. We like to cook quite a lot, so 3 burners is actually quite ideal amount for us. Then some kitchen storage. The frame of the kitchen unit is from IKEA, and this is our countertop extension that comes handy when we are cooking. And here is our kitchen sink and the tap. Some more storage space over here, spices, coffee, cups. Underneath here we have our Dometic fridge and our trash bin and stuff. Here is our remote control for our Max Air Max fan that is in our bedroom. And then here is the main switch control panel that we can control the lights, the fan and our water pressure. This is our wardrobe, or let me say more storage space. So some of our toiletries, some random stuff, some clothes, a mirror, and then some more daily equipment. And then here we have our toilets, and under our bed there's a dog's bedroom, our little dog's den that dogs really love to chill in. And then here is our couple of climbing holds that we use as steps to go in to get into our bedroom. This is the coziest place of our van, my favorite one. We have a very lovely bed with a custom-made thick mattress here. Then we have some storage actually for my clothes basically. Here and here. And then I have on a bookshelf over there. Here we have our max fan that keeps the air flowing nicely when it's hot, so it keeps the back of the van nice and cool and air flowing. Bed is around 130 wide and around 180 tall. We wanted to keep the space quite airy, so we didn't want to put any thick walls here, but at the same time to create slightly more privacy and a little bit like a room feeling, we decided to separate the kitchen and our bedroom with the help of this piece of wall. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We bought this van from Finland with just under 9,000, and then we converted it with probably around 11,000. So in total, more or less 20,000.
And how long did it take to do it?
We converted it during the Corona lockdown in Finland, so I think it was around 3-month spring project while working from home and working and building. Around 3 months, and it was livable. And then we did some more additions and improved some stuff that we saw that needs a little bit more improving before we move in permanently. But all in all, it was like 3-month full-on project. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our van and our life on the road, we have an Instagram account called Van Venturers. See you there.